I open up the camera app. Then I toggle the bottom row over to motion. Make sure long exposure is chosen. I'm going to tap on my Catwoman so that it's in focus. I'll bring my RGB strip behind my Catwoman, and then I'll tap the button to take the picture, and then I'll move and shake the RGB strip. And now it creates like a faux fairy light. So that's the original. And that is the fairy light. It's so cute. I really like it. So here is other ways where I tried, and that's the original, and that's the way it looks. That's the way it looks, and that's the original. This one came out really, really pretty, and that's the original. So cute. This one was a fail. I swung it too fast. This one was also a fail. I swung it too fast. This one came out really cute. So pretty. This one didn't work. This one I was first trying to figure it out. This one as well, I was trying to figure it out. And then I tried it with a car passing by. No, it didn't do well. It just made the whole picture blurry. And then here I did it with windshield wipers. It looked like a ghost. Spooky. I tried recording a video of a waterfall on my monitor. And then I tried it in a sink. So I tried this so many different times. I really like it with the RGB light though. I felt like that one was the best test that I did. And I hope you guys like this tutorial. Let me know if you tried the long exposure feature, and tag me on social media if you tried it. I'd love to see what you've come up with.